It's here. This is sick. This box is dope. Let's see what's inside. Sick. Unbox and check parts. Okay. Mount it. Download the app. Set up Wi-Fi via bleh. Little charger to USB. Mounting screws. A nice little baggie. Nothing else. It's just corrugated box. All the way through. So much box. Ta-da! Alright, so we got a mixed spinner on top. We got little legs. Oh, this thing's kind of cool. Oh. I think. Oh, wow. Give me tokens. There's harvest points. Device. Okay, let's go to devices. Connect your device. Device name. Mic Miner. It's on. It's doing its little thing. It's definitely connected to something. Here it still says offline. Come back in a little bit and see what it's doing. We are now online. I just plugged it in, so we got like solar panel to a solar panel battery to SkyX, and it has a battery built in, so it'll last overnight. I'm thinking, because it shouldn't be doing too much. And I'll leave it here until it blows off the edge. A quick update on those who are interested in the Wayru mining thingamadoer. On the rewards, they don't make any sense. I think I'm getting more rewards for being on the network longer. Here's the other one. Not climbing at the same rate, just doing its thing. And so this is the map metrics. A company who still is having app troubles, so it's really hard to onboard, and you have to have I got it working, but you have to have your device on in order for it to work. So I have extra ones. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and I'll give out one of these to one random commenter. Don't even get me started on the aware bucket.